everybody, we're now going to have a discussion on technical writing, what its career prospects are and what TechTotal has got to offer to the market. We've got Stephen and Shravan, two senior technical writers from TechTotal. They're going to let us know what it is all about.
Yeah. Hi, this is Shravan. Okay, I'm a senior technical writer working for TechTotal. Okay, I'm into product management and even training. Okay, so let me first clear you what exactly is technical writing. Technical writing is all about creating documents for any product. In order to make the end user understand about any product, we need to create some documents.
Right.
So the whole documents are created by technical writing.
Okay.
So it's something like we simplify the technology for the end users.
Okay. Now, when you say documents, okay, now what kind of documents do you prepare? Is it just a user guide or is it for even a person who wants to know something more about the software, or how is it?
Well, Tech Writers has something more to serve to the company, as in terms of documenting for the end users, or it can be something they do it in the internal prospects, like creating presentations for the internal requirements, or writing some technical documents, work along with the development team, and make sure that they produce some well-versed documents which should really reflect the company's professional manner of documentation.
Let me put it in a simple manner. Okay, if you take an organization, they have a team like business analysts, okay, software developers or hardware developers, okay, even some clients or end users. Okay, so we'll be involved in creating some end user documents. Even we are involved in creating mechanical or any technical documents. Okay, even we are involved in creating marketing collaterals. So it's like we are involved in totally creating different types of documents to simplify the technology for the other people.
Excellent, something nice that I've learned. But now what actually concerns me is, now do I have to be technically sound? Do I have to be either a B.Tech or an IT professional to know technology? Because when you say making technical documents, it definitely means that one has to have a technical bent of mind.
Absolutely. Well, in this case, we see that tech writers are not being like information developers. We don't develop information which could be, make some technical manner of documentation. Right? Not really, but it's something like you're supporting your team to ensure that the document meets the consistency map factor. Ensure the formatting of the document as well, and meets the expectations of the company in a high pitch.
I'm a B.Tech, so would I be able to master the course very well?
Okay, that's a good question actually. See, as I told you already, technical writer never depends upon the education background. Okay, the basic skills require like you should be a good learner and a presenter. Okay, whether you're a technical graduate or you're an arts or literature graduate, it is irrespective in this technical writing field. Okay, so education is never a barrier.
Okay. Yes, I totally do understand that. But how about if I'm actually an arts student? Don't you think my grasping of technical concepts is going to be tough?
Yeah. See, as I told you, okay, as we are more experienced in this field, okay, we know how to train the person from a literature and arts background. But definitely, we would be stressing more on the technical aspects. Obviously, maybe the IT structure or maybe software terminology. Definitely, we'll be stressing on that. Okay.
See, our course encompasses all the elements that makes a person professional. So by end of the course, you see that the person feels more comfortable, and so that he can work in an IT company, given that he has a tech writer skill, and moreover he has an opportunity to learn more about how software development works, and what sort of like say an example, what kind of application for which he writes, what kind of platforms does he going to work on, what domains that he has to work on. So TechTotal training would definitely give them an insight over the complete cycle of the industry that makes them to be comfortable, confident enough to look over for a job in tech.
Yeah, totally eliminate the weakness of the student. Okay, maybe a literature or a technical background. Okay.
But as support Shravan, as you said, there's no barrier in terms of education is concerned. A person can be a person with good communication skill, have just be a computer savvy. That would make him to be a tech writer.
Fantastic. So let me put it this way now. Now that I've got a certificate from TechTotal or a certificate in technical writing, what would be the compensation? Or let me be more clear, I am a fresh graduate, okay, and I've finished my course from here. So what is the salary that I can expect?
Well,
And in comparison to other fields?
yes. As you can see that you have been a fresher, you have just been a certified writer from an organization. So you see that you can have a remuneration starting from 15,000 rupees as a nominal, as in which can be afforded by any Indian-based company, as I say. We talk about MNC level, you can expect something about 3 to 3.5 lakhs per annum.
That's for a fresher?
That's for a fresher. Yes.
I mean, the college fresher.
Okay, excellent.
If you have some more other experience in other professions, okay, definitely it is going to be an added advantage. Okay,
Fantastic.
that may vary in the salary range also. Okay, suppose if you are experienced in a BPO or if you have an experience in other IT sectors, maybe programming. Okay, so all those experience will be an added advantage. Okay, when you start this career.
Okay.
Okay, so. Definitely, as I told you, the salary ranges increases. Okay, it's like a normal whatever IT graduate gets. Okay? I mean to say, if you are an experienced technical writer of 1 or 2 years, you can expect a salary of 4 to 5 lakhs per annum. Okay? So obviously, it's a good salary. IT offers good salary for technical writers.
I want to add something extra. One is that, like say you are a person from some different background, not from tech writing, maybe you are from BPO, or you have been as an editor or working in a different profile. You see that documentation is something that you could be there here and then when you are being a different profile actually. That could really be an add-on for you when you are looking for an opportunity as a tech writer. Yeah, that would be an add-on. So the people who are, doesn't matter they are from a fresher level or people who are an experienced level, they are not same. That's what I want to say. A fresher will start obviously with a fresher level. A person with an experience
can be an added advantage.
Can be an added advantage for them when you enter tech writing.
I've just seen that notice board there wherein you've got lots and lots of testimonials and there are some awards there. So just wanted to check, does TechTotal provide placement assistance as well?
Yes, absolutely. You can see that we have this feedback testimonials. You can see the clients. Maybe we have just mentioned around 4 to 5. Then, but you see that we have around trained over 500 students till late. We have a good rate of around 90% of the students have been placed in various companies. And there's a good testimonials we have from a very good students we have. And you can also see the various clients to whom we have been serving. We have a clients where we have been doing documentation, and you can see that we have companies with whom we have been tied up with.
Okay.
And which they source people from TechTotal in a very regular basis.
So in one word, we can say it shows our expertise in technical writing. Okay, it shows our expertise in training also.
Excellent. Then thank you so much for your time, and it's been a very informative session.
We had a nice time with you, and thank you.